So a lot of people talk to me about, well, how do you send these 1,000-person invites to your events on LinkedIn for free? And I just want to spend like literally 3 minutes just showing you exactly how to do this. It's super simple and you can do it as well. And look, if you think about inviting people to events, like you could be spending £5 a lead if you're running ads. You could be spending hours sending connection requests and messages out to people. You can only send 100 connection requests a week anyway through LinkedIn. So to be able to do something where you can get up to 1,000 people that you're actually outreaching to every week when you run an event, well, that's super cool, and that's why I really love this tactic. It also is part of kind of our campaigns. You can see how well, if I show you one of our campaign strategy game plans, you can see here, this is an example game plan. We're putting content out for clients, and then these are the outreach. You can see here like 20 connection requests, 30 emails, but look, 1,000 event invites. That's a huge volume compared to what other activity gets done. So this is a really cool tactic to stick in the locker and something that I would certainly recommend you do. So why do I love events on LinkedIn? Well, you can get leads by people actually registering for these events, and then of course you can then help and update and inform them through running the events and then opening the door for a call to action so they book on to some sort of sales meeting after the event. Boom, you've now got a whole funnel, and LinkedIn is great at being able to do this. So head over to your actual event. So if you go down and if you create an event on LinkedIn, you just click the event tab here and you'll be able to see the different events you've got. This is one that's actually live now that I can work on. And if I scroll down to here, I can then go press the share button and I can go press invite, right? It takes me to a page like this. Now, most people make the mistake of just going around and going click, 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 and inviting. And actually, what they don't realize is if you go and use some of these search things, like for example, search by industry, and maybe I want to go search for people, I don't know, in the education industry, I can go show results, and it's then going to list out all of the people in the education industry. And so then if I then go click this, and that's going to highlight everybody, then that means that I can actually then go and invite them through. But many of you will see here, well, it says 24 here. Well, I want to be more than 24. I want 1,000, right? And this is where the nuance comes in. Most people don't realize if you scroll down to this, look, it will then start to regenerate some more results. But you'll notice that not all of these white boxes are on. I scroll down some more, it gives me some more results. I scroll down some more, it gives me some more results, right? Okay, now we've got something going on. So I've got 24 currently selected here. If I unclick and re-click, bam, I've now got 31, right? And now I go again and I keep on going, right? And I can go in and I can start to actually grow and get more and more people invited. I unclick and then bam, I'm in again, right? 41 selected, okay? So that's how you work. Now, obviously, this comes with that kind of time warning that yes, you can work through this and it may take like 10, 15, maybe even 20 minutes to get through to your 1,000, but it's worth doing and it allows you to redo your 1,000 each week. And actually you can uninvite people as well at a later date. So it means that you can kind of unravel some of this invites to be able to give yourself even more invites to be able to invite people the following week, right? It's a bit time heavy. And so that's why if you do have a VA, like the sort of VAs that we help clients to be able to implement into their business, this is perfect work for them because you can give them search criteria, industry sectors, they can find them, they can invite them, and you can bring people along to your event. Works really well if you're not doing it. If you are doing it, as I say, teen at it, right? So try it, nail it, then delegate it, right? So delegate it to someone after you've got the system right. So that's how you work. You press invite and then it will send those invites out to everybody. Jobs are good and you'll have people saying yes to your event and having a really great impact in terms of your attendance and registrants and leads from your LinkedIn events. Hope that helps, guys. Big love. Take care. See you on the next one.